reminders. So this is just to go back through what we've learned today in the workshop. So when you notice dysregulation in yourself or someone else, focus in on your breathing until you feel your prefrontal cortex come back online. And this can be even if you are not dysregulated, but you are with someone who is dysregulated, and we know that that can be contagious. We want to work extra intentionally to stay regulated ourselves. Become familiar with how your body feels when it's dysregulated and when it's not, because knowing what those two states feels like helps to make it easier to move between them. And then you're creating triage care checkpoints throughout your day to calm your nervous system regularly. You're prioritizing more green and comfort zone activities, hopefully. And then in your learning zone, you're stretching yourself while monitoring your stress response. So monitoring that ledge feeling so that we're not getting off into dysregulation often. Okay? So just on your handout, number 7 asks you, what are you taking away? I want you to write down one thing that you're coming away from this workshop with that you want to remember, maybe about yourself and your own process, or maybe a piece of information from the workshop. What are you taking away from this? Okay, the last piece is you want CEUs for this, I imagine. You will get your certificate and your CEUs once you finish the last piece, which is the completion form. You'll find that in the last section of the online course. And it'll take you maybe 10 minutes to go through, put in your RID information, and I ask a few questions about what you're taking away here, just to gauge learning and to get feedback. So I look forward to hearing from you there, and then CEUs will be submitted in 30 days. And I'm seeing some comments here. Yeah, taking away the square breathing, awesome. And anchoring, great, good, I love it. Okay, the next Saturday School workshop will be in November. It's on healthy boundaries for interpreters. This will be November 21st, and you can get all the information in the Burnout Proof Academy website at burnoutproof.me. Thank you for being with us today for self-care for stressful times. I look forward to seeing you in the comments and getting to interact with you there. And am so proud of you for taking this time to care for yourself. Take good care. Bye-bye.